Hello. I hope I didn't scare you. How you doing? Guys, remember, if you are a Jamaican living overseas, you can get your items shipped and delivered to your doorstep or your loved one's doorstep here in Jamaica. Yep, you heard me right. You have a shipping company that is going to take your packages overseas, ship them to Jamaica, and then get them delivered to your doorstep or your loved one's doorstep here in Jamaica. Listen, guys, forget about shipping barrel. You can send small items to your loved ones. Listen, mama want a flat screen TV, not a problem at all. You can go ahead, purchase that flat screen TV, ship it to your mailbox address. We ship it to Jamaica for you, get it delivered to mama's doorstep. Alright guys, so look, listen, there's a link somewhere here. Click on the link, join us today, get your items shipped to Jamaica and delivered to your doorstep or your loved one's doorstep here in Jamaica. Hey, we're bringing first world shipping to you.